Good afternoon, Robert Scribble with the OBX Wave Report, filming south and eastern Jeanette's Pier as a set rolls in off the North Atlantic Ocean. 3 to 5 foot waves here at Nag's Head today. Beautiful waves to be had, and to get out for surf session number 173. Had a lot of fun with my surfing buds. Oh, it doesn't look like anyone's going to get this one. It's kind of sad. Oh, yeah, nope, and that's a duck dive. OBX Pro stands still up. I don't believe they have heats going out right now, but nonetheless, great day for waves here in the Outer Banks. All right, so let's get down to the official wave observations based on wave monitor, buoy, and weather data. And right now here at Nag's Head, we've got 3 to 5 foot waves with the swell coming in out of the east-northeast at 4.7 feet and 10 seconds. Winds out of the west at about 8 miles per hour. Air temperature is around 80 degrees right now. Ocean water temperature is 75. Up in Virginia Beach right now, wave conditions 3 foot and clean. Down south in Rodanthe, 4 to 5 foot plus clean conditions. East-northeast swell, 5.3 feet and 10 seconds. West-northwest winds at 7 miles per hour. Air temperature is also around 80 degrees. Ocean water temperatures at 75. And then heading on down south to Buxton, we've got 4 to 5 foot waves, clean conditions, and an easterly swell at 5.3 feet and 10 seconds. Northwest winds at 8 miles per hour. Air temperatures in the range of 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures 78. And last of all, at Frisco, we've got 3 to 4 foot waves and clean conditions. These 2 surfers pull some nice turns and cutbacks. One taking the left, one taking the right. Great party wave there. All right, so let's get down to some of the data provided by the National Hurricane Center. The surfer pumps into a little section here. So we have a few less storms in the ocean, but nonetheless, the North Atlantic Ocean is still very stormy, as it tends to be for this time of year. And we have GERT in the central subtropical Atlantic. GERT is a 60 mile per hour tropical storm moving to the north-northeast and is expected to dissipate over the next 24 to 48 hours. Ouch. We have Katia in the eastern subtropical Atlantic at 40 miles per hour heading toward the northwest, weakening and expected to become extratropical over the next day or so. We have a disturbance in the central tropical Atlantic moving toward the west, toward the Windward and Leeward Islands of the Caribbean Sea. This system has an 80% chance of developing, according to the National Hurricane Center, over the next 7 days. So definitely one to watch. Might be the next named tropical system. So we get more surfers riding some beautiful waves here at Jeanette's Pier. Wow, what a drop in. Ew, getting up in that top third of the wave. Nice pumps and cutbacks. And all right. Last of all, we've got a tropical wave moving off of Africa. That system has a 20% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone over the next 7 days. All right, so thank you for joining me for this session, this Sunday, September the 3rd, Labor Day weekend session of the OBX Wave Report. I hope you guys do get out there, get into the water, and enjoy the waves. And as I always do, I'd like to ask you guys to please do everything you can to help speed the deployment of clean energy to protect our coastlines from the impacts of climate change driven by fossil fuel burning. Those impacts being more intense storms, rising sea levels, ocean acidification, ocean heat waves, and other more general effects of climate change, including increased heat waves, and, on the land, and increased risk of wildfires as we recently saw in Lahaina. Clean energy will help halt and displace fossil fuel burning, and that in turn will reduce the emissions into the atmosphere. The climate scientists say we'll be able to halt the climate crisis. And the climate crisis getting so damaging, we really need to start working hard to mass deploy that clean energy. As an electric vehicle driver, I gotta say, clean energy is so much better. So nothing really lost, so much gained from clean energy. All right, thank you guys for joining me. I hope you guys do get out in the water if you haven't already, and looking forward to some good waves through the rest of the week. If a little smaller than today, but nonetheless good waves on tap for the rest of the week. Thank you for joining me once again, as all sorts of surfers dropping in on all sorts of waves. Got an aerial there, nice cutback. Woo, good times. Okay, I'm gonna finish this setup. I can't, in good conscience, not film this beautiful set rolling in here in Chinook's Bay. Nice. And it's like 2 more surfers. Oh, maybe. Oh, unfortunate. All right, thank you guys for joining.